guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can remove background from any GIF just like this. First we will go to uploads and upload our GIF here. I will put it here and just stick to the background, and now we will go to share button and download it as an MP4. So this is the MP4 video. Now it's editable, and we will just cut it from the sides. Now we will go to edit video and remove the background of this video. It takes some time to remove the background of it. Okay, now the background of this GIF has been removed. As you can see, now we will play our GIF. I have changed the filter of this to enhance the look of my GIF. Now I will change the background of this. Video here and send it back. Go to the position and send it back. Now we will preview this. So this is the easy way to change the background of your GIF. And now I will tell you a GIF app in the Canva, that is Jiffy, and that is the great app. You can also search any type of GIF from here and use in your video editing projects. There are so many GIFs and stickers. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.